It's a travel day.
With me.
Oh, with Lincoln. It's so good to be traveling with somebody. Right now we're in San Francisco. We are here just for maybe 8 hours. And then we're flying to Seattle and then to Alaska for our final destination. Right now we're heading to a conference called PlayCon. So we're speaking on a panel with our manager, Chaz. He's a good guy. And we're talking to the heads of pretty much all the toy companies. They're out here. This is like their own toy conference that they've organized. And they've asked us to come out and talk about what it's like for YouTubers to work with toy companies and best practices and stuff. So, yeah. All right, Lincoln's got his wristband over here. He changed out of his sweatpants, looking good. And you've got your fancy badge.
So cool.
Now is an opportunity.
Wow.
Awesome.
Later that same evening.
Lincoln, how did it go? How'd you do?
Good, I think.
You think it was good? Lincoln did a great job. Like, even though he's not in school today, he learned a lot. Like, those sessions, the speakers were really good. We're in San Francisco for a few hours, you know?
We're gonna go get ice cream and see seals. I see
Sounds good.
seals.
The most important thing to do in San Francisco for us, go get ice cream at Ear Deli.
Ice cream.
We're there, we're doing this. Last time that we came here, and every other time that I've ever been here, we go to the wrong place. We go down by the harbor, and it's just like this little dinky store. This is legit factory type place, right? We haven't seen any seals other than in Pokemon.
No, we actually haven't even seen any seals.
No, we haven't.
Just seen a dugong, but I couldn't catch
Dugong.
it, even though that was my old favorite Pokemon.
Dugong, if you play Pokemon, you'll know that is Lincoln's seal gut-looking guy. We just ordered an Uber. We're gonna head to the airport because it's actually colder than I thought out here. Time to go to the airport and we'll go to Seattle and Alaska and see if we can make it without any travel issues.
Yeah, because that never happens.
We're flying Alaska Airlines not because it's the only airline that flies to Fairbanks. In fact, Delta does fly there, and you know we always fly Delta. If you remember last summer, we did the rubber ducky race in Fairbanks, Alaska, and we took second place, and our prize was 2 free Anywhere Alaska Flies tickets.
Are you serious?
We chose to do it for this trip. So we have free tickets, Lincoln and I. Our tickets are taking us from San Francisco to Fairbanks and then Fairbanks back to Salt Lake City on Saturday. I know there's probably a lot more awesome places we could have gone anywhere in the US with those free tickets. Going to see family in Alaska, that's a pretty good place.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Okay, yeah. I'm gonna take you guys to the Ancient Cat Museum. Here we are, this one's Mikawa style Maneki Nico. It's a cat. I mean, it's the cat that we cut open. There's his body.
Works.
That's what they all are. They're from this one's from 1880. Whoa.
I call this one Fat Cat.
Fat cat?
Yep.
What's up, fat cat? Oh, wow. That one is cool. That's definitely a fat cat there.
Yeah.
This is Mikawa style. There you go. There's the Maneki Nico, Japan's Beckoning Cat Museum. Thanks, San Francisco Airport, for being fancy. I'm so tired. There's our plane right there, number 479. Lincoln's got himself a sandwich here from Starbucks.
Oh no, there goes all the bacon.
Oh, not the bacon.
One time, I had 4 of these.
Next stop, Alaska at 2 in the morning.
346 minutes later.
Not too bad. I mean, it's supposed to be 70 degrees during the day. Water, Gatorades. Water. Be very quiet. We made it. We should probably go to bed. Oh, by the way, why are we in Alaska? We are filming a cool video for our family channel that we had to come up here for. There's no other option because there's no other place in the world like where we're going. It should be a good one. Thanks for watching our adventure traveling. Good night, everybody. Dang it, I missed that whole thing. Oh, I just had a really good clip of a boat and I didn't push record. Oh, I'm the worst.
Ah, ah.